What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Just got back from some lunch. We're on Ashton Corners, and we're on a dairy farm. And we do have another person on the farm, but he's not around right now. Don't really know what he's getting up to right now. So we're just gonna do some soybeans here, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get into it. Alrighty, probably gonna put this into a time lapse. So hope you guys enjoy this time lapse. Alrighty, we got that field all done. So we're gonna drop the header and unload, and then we're gonna go to the other fields on the other side of the farm. So catch you guys when we're getting ready to move the tractors over to the other side of the farm here. Alrighty, we're gonna drop the header and get the combine over there. Get it lined up. Looks good to me. Alrighty. Let's I'll get you guys when we're almost to the field. Alrighty. Here we are. So we definitely got some hay to do here. So probably in the next video we'll probably do some hay and probably start on some tillage here. So I'm gonna run back and and I'm gonna go grab the tractors. Alrighty, we got the 1206, and we're gonna drive it over to the field that we're gonna start here. Alrighty, pulling in here, we're actually gonna just turn around and we're gonna pull like right over here, so we can just get the header off real fast. Alrighty, got that turned around. Got the 1206 turned around. Now we're hopping in the 8110, and we're gonna take these wagons over. Alrighty, turning on the main road here. Kinda gotta get shift through the gears here. Get our four whiz on. We're gonna pull up in the grass field. Alrighty. This is probably gonna be the end of the video, so hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys are gonna enjoy this new series that we're starting here. And that's gonna do it, folks. We'll see you in the next one.